Internet Marketing 101. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the basics of internet marketing and what you need to know to successfully market on the internet. Virtually every business is marketing on the internet today, and for good reason. It works when it's done correctly. First, it's important that you have a professional website that represents your business. This website needs to function properly, needs to be free of spelling and grammar mistakes, and it needs to have some common features that internet users expect to see on websites today, including the ability to subscribe to a newsletter or e-zine for updates and special offers. After all, this website will represent your business online. Anything that looks unprofessional or that lacks what internet users expect today will lead to those people leaving your site and never returning, including lost sales. Another important element of internet marketing is using an autoresponder, a type of service that allows you to collect leads and to email your subscribers and customers on a regular basis to let them know what your business is doing, what special offers you have, and what is occurring in your industry. This service will enable you to collect leads from your website and follow up with people who didn't purchase any of your offers, but who were interested enough to visit your website and sign up for your future messages and offers. Emailing them regularly also enables you to keep past customers with you so that they will buy from you again in the future. Many businesses use a blog on their website, often through WordPress. This is a service that easily enables a blog on your website, so that their subscribers and customers can interact with the business as they post content on their business, their offers, and events in the industry. Most internet users want to interact and communicate with the companies they're interested in before they will buy from them, which is why it's essential you have a blog that you post content to regularly. Another important element in internet marketing is using both free and paid methods to obtain new subscribers and customers. Free methods, i.e. free money but cost in time spent, include posting content on social media, posting it on forums related to your industry, posting it on your blog, organically ranking high in the search engines through SEO, that's search engine optimization, and more. Paid methods include paying for advertising on social media sites and search engines, paying for advertising in other marketers' newsletters and e-zines, and more. In this presentation, I'm going to show you three main autoresponders you can choose from to build your email list. They are MailChimp, Aweber, and GetResponse. Having a reliable autoresponder is key to building your email list so that you can build a relationship with the subscribers who join that list, which can eventually lead to them purchasing your offers. You'll learn about each of these three top autoresponder companies and some of the features each provides. MailChimp was founded in 2001, but in 2017 it's the world's leading email marketing platform, sending over 1 billion emails a day on behalf of its 12 million customers. Signing up to MailChimp is very easy. You can even sign up to a free account for an unlimited time frame, which you can't do with either Aweber or GetResponse. The free account does come with restrictions in regards to how many subscribers you can have and how many messages you can send, but you can try out the service for an unlimited period of time to get accustomed to it. Their dashboard is crystal clear when it comes to the calls of action you want to create, such as create a campaign, create a list, verify a domain, etc. There are helpful Learn More prompts for each section to gain more information on how to use them, plus a useful Getting Started guide you can download. Aweber was founded in 1998. In 2017, it's used by 120,000 small businesses, entrepreneurs and bloggers all over the world. Aweber allows you a 30-day free trial when you enter in your name, address and credit card information to ensure that your service continues to run smoothly after the free trial is over. They provide a helpful video that introduces you to the basic concept of email marketing and how to get started using their services, including setting up your account, creating your first list, and customizing your confirmation email. GetResponse was founded in 1998. In 2017, GetResponse serves more than 350,000 customers from 182 different countries. Plus, the service is available in 21 different languages. GetResponse, like Aweber, asks for your personal details up front, but unlike Aweber, don't ask for your credit card details when signing up for their 30-day free trial, contacting you instead near the end of the trial to set up payments. GetResponse provides 3 main messaging types: newsletters, autoresponders, and RSS to email. They also provide 2 main ways to create messages, via their drag-and-drop email editor and via an HTML source editor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the quickest way to create free giveaways to build a big audience fast. Building a big audience is key to building your reputation and gaining more subscribers and customers for your business. To build that big audience, you need to stand out from the crowd and be recognized as someone who provides quality information and solutions in your industry. A good way to do that is via free giveaways. A free giveaway can be a quality product you could sell, but are willing to give to people in return for something. In most cases, it's preferable to ask for a person's contact information so that you can begin to build a long-term relationship with them. Most internet users will not bother to buy from businesses they do not trust. It's essential that you reach out and build that relationship from the beginning if you want a sustainable business for the long term. You should put a subscription box on your website and let people know that you have a quality product you'll give them for free in return for their name and email address. The easiest and quickest way to create a free giveaway is to use a quality PLR, that private label rights product, that you have rights to. This will enable you to save on the research and writing and get your product out that much quicker. You should ensure that the PLR product is up to date in terms of the information and that it is free of spelling and grammar errors before you upload it to your website storage area. Once you have that completed, you need to spread the word about your free giveaway. Use your email list, social media accounts, bio boxes in articles and posts that you make online, etc. to get the word out about your free giveaway. You could even go the paid route and take out paid ads on Google, Bing, Facebook, Twitter, etc. to spread the word about your free giveaway. If the giveaway is appealing to them in terms of the topic and the information that is presented, many people will be willing to give up their name and email address in order to receive this valuable information, as they won't have to pay for it in terms of money. When people start subscribing to your list, be sure your autoresponder sends out a message that includes the link to your ebook or other product on your website server. This way, they will be easily able to download it and have the information they wanted. It's also a good idea to follow up with an additional email to ensure they receive the ebook or other product, as well as to introduce yourself and your business so that you can begin to build a long-term relationship with your new subscribers.